I'm going to teach you how to purchase gear on Facebook Marketplace. If you're looking to find some great deals on equipment, whether it's a camera, a new smartphone, or even a musical instrument, Facebook Marketplace can be a fantastic resource. Let's dive right in and show you exactly how to do this. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the Facebook app on your computer or mobile device. Once you've logged in, look for the little marketplace icon. This is generally found on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage if you're on a computer, or at the bottom menu on your phone. Click on it and you'll be taken straight to Facebook Marketplace. Here, you'll find a variety of items for sale ranging from furniture to electronics and more. Now, to find the specific gear you're interested in, you need to utilize the search bar located at the top of the Facebook Marketplace page. Type in what you're looking for. For example, you might search for something like a Canon DSLR camera or any other gear you have in mind. This step will narrow down the listings to items that match your search terms. Once you have your search results, it's a good idea to apply some filters to refine these results further. Facebook Marketplace offers several filtering options, which can be quite handy. You can set a price range that fits your budget to ensure you're only looking at gear within your financial limits. It's also useful to filter by condition, choosing between new or used items based on your preference. Lastly, the location filter is crucial. You can set the distance or choose a specific area to find items closer to you, which might make pickup easier or eliminate shipping costs. After your filters are in place, you can sort through the listings more efficiently. Facebook Marketplace allows you to sort results by lowest price if you're looking for the best economical deal, or closest if you prefer to reduce travel or shipping hassle. This sorting option helps you quickly compare listings and make a more informed decision about your potential purchase. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to navigate Facebook Marketplace to find the gear you need at a price you can afford. Remember, always check the seller's profile and ratings, and ask any questions you might have before finalizing any purchase. This way, you ensure a smooth, safe, and satisfactory buying experience. Happy shopping!